How to create velocity effects in Capcut, a 2025 tutorial. Capcut's velocity feature is a game changer, and it is super easy to use. This time, I will be sharing you two easy ways to create velocity effects in Capcut. First, using the speed tool. Launch the Capcut app on your phone or the desktop version on your computer. Import the video you want to edit into the Capcut. Click on that video and then go to the speed option in the editing menu. Select the curve option to access the velocity editing tools. You'll see graph with markers or beats that represent different sections of your video. Drag the markers up to speed up that section or down to slow it down. You can also add or delete markers to fine-tune your speed changes. Once you're happy, export your video to save it. Second method, auto velocity using your mobile phone. With the same video that you are editing, go to the speed option and then click on velocity effects. CapCut will automatically analyze your video and apply the velocity effect. Preview and export your video. Now, you're ready to create awesome velocity effects in CapCut. Get creative and have fun.